What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to terminate apps in Windows 11. So you can easily terminate an app by go ahead and right click on the Windows icon right here in the taskbar and go to install apps. And this is going to take you to all your applications that are installed on your PC, so you'll be able to find them. Now, I just want to stress that not all applications that you install on your Windows PC, you're able to terminate. And from experience, I've noticed that the ones that you install, the ones, let's say, come on the computer, let's say Copilot, or those that are installed from the Microsoft Store, you're able to terminate. So if you download something on your computer, let's say download the software and you install it, then you will just be able to maybe see uninstall or advanced options. So I'm going to show you a few examples. So right here, you can see, for example, Affinity right here. If I click the three dots, you will see that you will have the option to uninstall or to modify. This is one thing that you will see. We'll go down and we'll find another example. Copilot is a good example. It comes on a PC. And so if you click, for example, three dots, you have advanced options. Whenever you find applications with the advanced options, this simply means that you're able to terminate those applications because this is going to give you Windows advanced options where you can terminate those apps. So if I click an advanced option here, you will see that it goes to Copilot, and these are the advanced options. As you can see, you just want to scroll down and you will find terminates. And so right here, you can terminate it, you can reset it or repair it. And this is really cool. And you can even uninstall from here as well. So this is really cool. And this so you can actually, let's say, terminate an application in Windows 11. Do you have other applications on your PC that does not really give you that same option? So I'm going to see if I find another option here. This is modify. Let's try Brave. It didn't, this one only give you uninstall. It doesn't even give you the option to modify. But let's try, for example, calculator. You can see these are applications that come on the computer, and so you can easily go ahead and go into those advanced options. So this is pretty much it, guys, right? I am trying to see if I find any app that I've installed, let's say from, I believe, Facebook. Yeah, in Facebook, I've installed directly from the Microsoft Store. And so this as well, I can go ahead and I can do the terminate. And so this is pretty much all you can easily terminate applications on your Windows 11 PC. Very easy and very simple.